Shoe shiner. I can't reach it.
Quit yelling. My dad ended up. Just don't put your feet in anybody's tracks.
Right, there we go.
Where's Caroline? Yo. Oh my God, we're going. Oh golly.
Oh, we're going pretty fast. Now we're going at it. Pretty slow, actually.
Guys, we can't curse. This is going on the internet.
Oh, I'm so sorry. Followers.
What I meant to say was poopy fart.
Oh my God!
I can't see.
Shut up.
Sorry.
Oh, this is so cool.
I need a hit.
Guys, look at that.
I need a hit now. Buddy cave.
What the fuck? I fucking hate this.
Dude, I'm screaming from withdrawal.
This is so cool. Karen, look behind you. Look at the army of people. Oh my God, I hate this kid.
Oh my God, I fucking hate this.
Shut up. No,
Shut up.
Why is the spray paint wet?
Can I go back?
There's a lot of humidity in here.
I don't care, bro.
Can I go back? I'm waiting for. Wait, I'm gonna wait for Cassie.
You guys have to wait for us to go first. Yo, careful, it's slippery.
Can I wait for my buddy? She wants to be on the floor. Can I wait for my buddy? She
Hurry
wants
up,
to end.
yeah.
Oh, how do we get down
What is this?
I'm waiting for Cassie to hear.
This is ridiculous.
Yeah.
Cassie,
No, Nicholas, you can do it.
Wait, oh my God.
Go on,
Be safe, Cassie.
oh my God, bro, what is this?
This is so cool. Oh, it's not clean anymore. Yo.
I got that.
D-N-N-D, that's my initial spelled backwards.
That was my number.
What just went in my eye?
Yo, guys, there's slippery mud up here.
Yum.
Cameron, where do we hotbox it?
We have to find the smallest area. How do we get through this? Was it always like this?
No. It changes every once in a while.
Guys, there's like a pile of rocks here.
Oh, I gotta flick up.
Oh yeah. Watch out, this rock is loose.
Oh, there's spider web.
This is so cool! Right here, this rock is loose. Be
What
careful.
kind of dumb spiders? Like, hold on, I wanna make my cave. Have them beautiful outdoors.
Oh, there's stuff dripping on me.
This is actually nasty.
Yo, somebody just drive by nutted all over me.
My bad.
All right.
Alright guys, we're in!
Oh, shit, right, yeah.
All right. Listen up. Guys, take care of the person behind you. Hey,
Yeah, take care of
What
me.
is dripping from here?
guys.
Don't go down yet, hold on.
I slipped and
Guys, quiet!
All right. What I want you to do is go up here and explore around. You're going to come around the other side of this, and then you're eventually going to come down the other side of this rock here, okay?
Okay.
And I'm going to go try to get in front of you
Alright.
to see you, okay?
Alright guys, follow me.
For those that are not paying attention, they're going to get lost.
Who's your partner?
Cameron.
Okay, you guys are going to go up.
Yeah,
I'm going to go down.
Alright, we'll be a Truddy. Holy crap. Yo, guys.
Cameron, you got me? Hold up.
It's going to be what we're literally.
What the heck?
where are you going? Where are you going? Cassidy, where are you going? Where are you going?
Which way?
Hello? Where are we going?
Where? Okay. Where are we going?
Guys, be quiet. He has to wait. You have to stop. Just stop. Just stop, guys.
That's it.
Hey, Alan.
Hey. Take it easy coming down. Take care of the person behind you.
Alright. Nicholas, you need help? Yeah. I'll catch you, buddy. Alright. Just go over farther and then step down onto that rock. Yes, it's a drop, but go on this rock. I can see you. Mad Max. Max. Yeah, put your feet down there.
Take your time.
Yeah, so many loose rocks, bro. Alright, we have to go farther up so people can actually go.
Okay.
I'm fucking petrified. Oh my god.
It's not that
Take care of the
bad.
person behind you.
It's really one of those like down.
Take care of the person behind you.
Start digging in your butt, twin.
Stop digging in your butt, twin.
Who is saying that?
We need to go because it's
Okay,
getting too close.
it'll get bunched up, but I want to make sure I see people. See enough people so that we
Come on,
can do
guys, keep going. But Cameron, how the hell did you get in front of me? Because you said, I was like, do you want me to go in front of you for this drop off? And you were like, yes, please. Yo, guys, another drop. How'd these sticks get in here, man?
it. Washing.
Yo, guys, we have to crawl. Yeah, no, I'm short enough. I don't need to crawl. Unless you're super short, you can walk. Stop digging in your butt, twin. Whoa, hey. Yo, what the hell?
Yeah.
Guys,
Okay.
it's a circle. We're going around. It's definitely way easier to go flying up than flying down.
Yo, why didn't we just go? Why didn't we just go this way?
I feel like I'm in my mother's house.
Kevin, how did you get here?
Why would I say that?
Wait, guys, right, look up, bro. We can literally just go. Wait, Alan, why don't we just go the other way?
Oh, it's lucky fun.
Just doing a quick circle.
Are we going back? Yeah.
No, we're just gonna stay here forever.
Let's go
Right?
circle. Dude, my hands are freezing. I don't know why.
Same. From all the water.
Rocks are falling back.
Yo, this is sick, guys. Oh, yeah.
Start digging in your butt, twin.
Do we just go in a circle?
Yep.
Wait, wow.
Max, how's the claustrophobia?
It's okay. Where are we going?
Oh, this is fun.
Come on up there.
We go?
Just wait. Just wait. Just wait.
Go. Where's Kevin at? I need a flicker now.
Yeah.
Oh, I can stand up straight.
Yippee!
Kevin, where are you at?
Wait, are we back to where we were?
Yeah, we did.
How is it, Cameron?
Ooh, somebody left a sweatshirt. That's not good.
Where?
Or a shirt.
What does it say?
It
DN.
wasn't even a circle. We like went up and down.
I'm gonna wait till I see everybody's headlight.
God bless you.
Jeez, man. Austin was here. Autistic Austin was here? Austin.
Okay, wait. I'm gonna like. Okay, go ahead. I'm holding on.
Start digging in your butt, twin.
Got it, Max.
I'm expecting like a mural when it's time. Yo, Flip! What? Stop digging in your butt, twin! Mr. Krabs! Beep, your butt, twin!
How do you spell your name?
Guys, we already have
Last move.
Or whatever.
You're good.
Are both my flashlights on?
Wait, are we going? Are both my flashlights on?
Yeah.
Wait, are we? In front of you.
So much room.
Oh,
It's so much bigger. Feel this.
Can we go?
Stretch. My arms are stretching.
Hudson, I need you to move, bro.
I'm moving.
I know, real. Yo, you can see out. Look up.
Okay.
Oh, is that it?
Oh yeah, I saw it.
Oh, I think it's a cross.
Yo, did you see
That means there's devil stuff in here.
Alright, Amelia.
Is it a Bitches.
What about this do not like?
I went in this like big,
being in a cave.
once, and it was like the entire thing was spray painted, and there was like a giant, like fully decorated, like full, like it was like 20
What?
feet tall, like 20 feet long and 10 feet tall. Yeah, just upwards. And it was like decorated like graffiti.
Oh, okay. Well,
Someone farted.
You're doing good. You're doing great.
yeah, you're doing
Spectacular.
really you are. The next place I'll explain it to you, and then what's that?
Earlier than the exit.
I can't hear you with them.
Is there any earlier exit than the one that we're all taking if we take like a time frame?
There are other exits. Some of them are harder than others, but this
Longer? Is it like halfway there?
no, not really. We're just starting. Okay, up here, guys, just wait. Okay, we're going to go up here, and we're going to go down a pathway. It is a little bit smaller.
I can't do that.
Okay, but once you get past it, it's okay. It's okay. It's okay. Once you get past it, it opens up into a big room. You want to go out?
I'll go with you.
You know how to get out?
Just go back.
Are you sure? If you want to go out and sit, and you change your mind, and if you want to try to come back in again, you can do that. Okay, I'll show you where we're going. But if you don't want to do that, it's okay. If you just want to hang out at the entrance and try to go in and out a couple of times, that's okay too, just to try to get used to it. Okay? I'd like you to experience this, but I can't have you panicking.
You're doing really good.
Yeah.
And you're being really brave.
Your form is good.
I think you can. I think you're underselling yourself. I think you could. If you want to leave, go ahead. But if you want to come back in,
Are you okay?
Just wait. Just wait. Wait. Guys, you gotta have some patience.
Alright, if you guys are out, you're out for out.
That's fine. Are you okay?
We can stand in the entrance.
That is good. That is
Guys,
Wait.
we're gonna stop it right now if you don't stop the yelling, okay? I've asked you a couple of times, don't yell.
I will to meet you. Yeah. Wait, can we take the back?
Okay, when we're headed out, I'm going to show you the direction that we're going. Just showing it to you. So if you want to try to come in and take a look at it, you don't have to go in it, you just take a look at it. And then if you can get yourself used to it and try it, you can do it.
Okay,
Okay?
this is totally up to you. This is not us pressuring you to do anything.
No pressure.
We're going.
No pressure. I'm just challenging you. That's all. I'm not making you do it. I don't want you panicking.
It's like taking a harder class. Like you can take the harder class, or you can just stick with the normal class.
Yeah. Okay. All right.
Well, sometimes if you feel like you can do it, the harder class is encouraged. But if you can't do a harder class, then stick to whatever class you're at.
Guys, what did he just say?
We're gonna exit in a few minutes.
Alan, can I go up?
Wait till I get up there.
No, we're not going to. There's no way we're leaving already. Oh, is she leaving?
Yeah. If you get up and over, let me get up and over the rock.
Why is it so slippery in here?
Just don't step in any of
You're okay
your
where you are. I'm just gonna like squeeze in here.
Oh, there's a spider.
Oh,
I don't care.
Guys, keep it down. Okay? We have to keep the noise down so I can hear what people are saying, and so that you can hear what I'm saying. Okay, we're going to be heading.
We're heading that way. Guys.
We're going to be heading that direction. Okay?
Said stop.
I need to go first. I need to go first because there's a drop there that I have to spot you and get you down. Okay? So have some patience. We move here very slowly. We don't move fast, and we're not just taking off and running around, okay? All right? I appreciate if you could just help me out by doing that. Okay, did you
Yes.
hear? We're going to head that direction. Okay.
Oh, make room, bro.
If you're falling, you can land on me.
Your hand is like in the spider's web.
Yo, where's Cliff?
Cliff's down there.
Cliff.
Bro, I think one of the spiders bit me. I'm seeing visions.
Is it radioactive?
It's not gonna be Spider-Man.
I'm already Batman.
Guys, there's nowhere for me to go.
Okay.
I can be Spider-Man.
I don't think
Okay, I need to go that way.
Just like the second that you're not.
Oh, wait.
Like falling. What?
You just put Kevin.
See, this is an open cave. There are other people out there.
Yeah, what up, Ryder?
We're not the only people here.
That's actually really fun.
Twin. Right, that's right, twin. Shut up, guys. He has to hear what people are saying.
Oh, it's a drop.
Careful for the big wet pile. Guys, I see Mr. Krabs. He's sticking in his butt, twin. Yo, there's a big wet puddle of shit. Whoa, even here. I just smashed my helmet. Bush.
Steven here.
I'm just gonna slide on my butt.
Oh, there's a puddle here. I don't think you want to slide. Bust.
My throat.
You should Loki let me go first for the drop, twin Nicholas. No. Yo, look at it's Neptune's crack.
Bust. Oh. Bust. Funny. Funny. Bust. I wonder where that goes.
Cathedral.
Oh, that's cold dripping water on